I think AIM's really improved our purchasing process by the fact that it's just so visual. It's really easy to sort of click through the filter. Even though we could export it to a CSV and to Excel and do charts ourselves if we wanted to, the fact that they're interactive charts and then you can use that to build your purchasing plan is something that is and will increasingly become important for us. So Flowstore's been around since 1984. We specialise in material handling solutions. So that means if someone wants to build a new car, we provide them with either an auto onload, offload trolley that can be mounted to an automated goods vehicle. It drives around the warehouse. It'll bash into this rack and all the boxes of parts slide on, and then it drives off somewhere else to the person that's assembling a door or whatever. So that's handling the materials. We also would do stuff like, if someone's building a plane wing, we provide bespoke supports to support the plane wing. So I think some of the key features that are really useful for us in AIM are the forecasting feature. We often have large orders that will come in that would be well in excess of our average usage, our average rate of demand. So to have those features, to have that feature is key for us, that we can know that we've got a big order that needs to be shipped in 3 months, but it's going to take up 8 months worth of that stock of a particular item. Being able to put that into AIM so it makes sure it stays on top as much as it can if we've got the lead time to actually ship those products in from Korea on time, so we're not running out of stock for that order or for other orders that come in during that time, for us is really key. I can just quickly drill down to a set of products, or more realistically for us, the whole supplier, and then set lead times on every product that supplier provides for us, to then be able to set our just-in-time principles, margins, calculations, whatever, for it is really useful. And once you've kind of got your head in it, it makes a lot of sense the way that works, and that is going to help us reduce our stock holding, which for a long time has just increased because it's not responsive to the actual lead times. And so we're constantly overestimating what we need, and the fact that it's working off rate of demand and that's all in the same system is going to be really vital for us. Another thing that's really useful for us is that we're able to quickly see, actually we've got quite a lot of dead stock. So we're then able to make a decision about what do we do with that dead stock. Do we want to try and sell it off cheaply? Do we just bin it? Or do we just remove it from the system? That's been really useful, and I think that's something that you don't tend to look for if you're just looking at exports into Excel. Something that AIM's really helped us with and taken off our plate is the fact that I was building out a similar thing using Google Sheets and the API. Unless you're a big company, you don't tend to have a team of developers working with you. So to take that, what's a key area of purchasing, take away all of that maintenance, taking all of that off of my plate and making sure that we're getting it right, because if it takes us 3 months to order something and the calculations I do, managing that integration myself certainly saves me some grey hairs.